everyone, I'm here to share a new technical analysis, and today will be Tezos token. Let's start. As you notice, the price is clearly in the downtrend, and we're gonna do a technical analysis drawing a trend line and find out the resistance levels here. As you notice, we have two resistance levels. The first one is right up here, and the second one will be right up here, and we're going to identify the next possible resistance area. But in the meantime, we're going to see where it's Tezos and what Tezos is doing right now. Let's find out the support level. So clearly the support level until now, it's right up here in this area. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line right up here and identify the current support. I'm saying the current support because the price is paying attention in this particular area. And I'm just gonna draw a box right here to identify the possible area that will be acting as a support. If, only if, the following days the price break below this green box, which is the last price, will be 1.281. If the price breaks below, will increase the possibility that the downtrend will continue. But in the meantime, we're gonna find out first the possible retracement. If the price find a support, a strong support right up here, what Tezos could do to the uptrend. And if you see the possible uptrend, I'm gonna show you some indicators. Actually, let's use the exponential moving average. If you notice the exponential moving average, this exponential is showing us a bunch of resistance levels, which will be the first one right up here in 1.51, and the second one will be 1.679. The next one will be 1.879, and the last one, which I consider that match, which be the green line, which is the 60 exponential moving average, which match over here, and probably right here would be the next possible resistance area. But let's find out first using the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and let's draw right here from this top to the bottom and find out where could be the possible move to the uptrend. Would it be possible if the price finds support, as I said right here, a strong support, the price will find a bunch of resistance right here, but the last one would be this area, which match around the Fibonacci level 0.382, and the next one would be 0.5, and the possible move could be, let's see if we can do something like this. If, like I said, it finds support right up here, price will retrace up here, probably break over here, find support. Give me 1 second right here. Let's do it again, and it will be right here, break above, and then find support and continue to the uptrend and find this area, like I said before, has a resistance which match with this trend line that goes to the downtrend, and also at that moment probably would match with the green line, the exponential moving average, which is the 60 exponential moving average. So we right here in this area could be the possible area that that is not the one that I was looking for, but anyway, so that's what right here would be the next resistance level, only if find a nice support right here. That is the first one. To the downtrend, we can use a reverse, the Fibonacci level reverse, which will be let's do reverse, and let's find out the next possible target to the downtrend. And the possible next target to the downtrend would be at 1.618 Fibonacci level, which means the price will be to 0.625. So that is the possible move to the downtrend. And actually, if I use the one of my favorite indicators, will show us the possible retracement area is indicated exactly right up here. These green clouds, if you want to call it like that, is showing us that match with this particular area. So right here would be a nice opportunity to go long, but I think we need to have first the confirmation if the price breaks below this green box area to the downtrend to go long. So that is what I've been expecting for Tezos. And actually, if you are using the RSI, it's indicating that the price is approaching to the oversold area. So it's in the 33.76, and probably it's going to continue to the downtrend. So that is my technical analysis for today. And if you notice, this indicator is giving me still giving me the sell signal. Okay, and until that don't switch to buy, well, the price will continue to the downtrend. So this is my technical analysis for today. Hopefully you like it, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.